there everyone, and a very, very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you a short summary of our beginners solo ballroom. This is our slow waltz practice routine number 6. This is a very short summary recap. The full 40-minute tutorial was recorded on the 22nd of March 23 and uploaded to my main video library on the website. So if you're looking for the full tutorial, that's where you need to head. This is just a short summary recap. Let me face the front. We started with the box step and rotating and 8 bars, okay? Left foot first. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. So for every pair, 1 forwards, 1 back, I rotated a quarter turn to face the next wall. So after 4 pairs, I'm back to facing the front, okay? Next section, I took a forwards whisk, 1, 2, 3, chassised over, 1, 2, and 3, corner check, 1, 2, 3. I then took a little hesitation over to the other corner, forwards, side, drag, back, and close. So we're going to call section 1 the rotating box steps and section 2 this little bit. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Section 3 is essentially the leader's spin turn. Starting it with my right foot for the entry basic, with the right hand rotation, rock around, and back exit. I'm facing the back of the room, appreciate that. And I'm going to do 2 basics, forwards left, and back on my right, or reverse turn. Okay, so a pair, forwards, a back, a basic, however you wish to remember it. So section 3 is the spin turn, the rock, the exit, and rotating those last 2 basics until we're back at the front. Last section, section 4. Corner check on my left foot, back whisk, 3 promenade walks, come back, and close. Now I'm going to go through all of that and I'm going to do the count. Remember, this is only a short summary recap. So let me dance the whole thing with the count. If you want the full 40-minute class, head over to the website. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, whisk, 2, 3, chassis, 2 and 3, check, 2, 3, and brush, 2, 3, and back, 2, 3, right foot, spin turn, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, right, 2, 3, corner, 2, 3, whisk, 2, 3, walk, 2, 3, walk, 2, 3, and close, 2, 3. I know that may seem like a lot to remember in one go. Like I said, we went through that a lot slower in the class. So, if you're watching this in my video library, thank you so much for already supporting me. If you're on YouTube, then please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell and help me grow the channel. Much appreciated. Hope you're enjoying these videos and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.